Earning money through a blog or website requires time, effort, and a strategic approach. Here are some common methods bloggers use to monetize their websites. Google AdSense. One of the easiest ways to start earning money is by displaying ads on your blog through Google AdSense. You'll get paid when visitors click on the ads or view them, and Google handles the ad selection process based on your content. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services from other companies on your blog and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your affiliate links. Join affiliate programs of companies relevant to your niche. Sponsored posts and reviews. Brands may approach you to write sponsored posts or reviews about their products or services. In return, they'll pay you for promoting their offerings on your blog. Sell digital products. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can create and sell digital products like e-books, online courses, templates, or software directly to your audience. Offer services. Utilize your blog to showcase your skills and offer services such as consulting, coaching, or freelance work. Membership or subscription content. You can create premium content accessible only to paying members or subscribers. Donations and crowdfunding. Some bloggers ask their audience for voluntary donations or use platforms like Patreon to support their work. Sponsored ads and banner space. Apart from Google AdSense, you can also sell ad space directly to companies interested in advertising on your blog. Selling physical products. If you have tangible products to sell, you can set up an online store on your blog. Events and webinars. Host events, workshops, or webinars on topics that interest your audience, and charge a fee for participation. Remember, building a successful blog that generates income takes time and dedication. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Additionally, invest effort in promoting your blog through social media, SEO, and other marketing strategies to attract more visitors and potential sources of income. Be transparent with your readers about any sponsored content or affiliate links to maintain trust.